Welcome to Safety Products. Today we're showcasing the Safety Alarm Conveyor Pre-Start Alarm, designed to provide clear visual and audible warnings before any conveyor or machinery starts. Each alarm can be configured with 3 operating modes: constant buzzer with flashing light, constant light with pulsing buzzer, or constant light and buzzer together. With a 100 decibel buzzer delivering full 360 degrees sound coverage and a bright visual indicator, the safety alarm ensures everyone nearby is alerted before equipment begins to move. Built for industrial liability and safety compliance, the safety alarm helps protect personnel and maintain safe operations across all conveyors and industry.